How to access memories on Snapchat web. Hi everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can access your memories on the Snapchat web. But before we get started, I want you to make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So unlike your Snapchat application on your phone, there is no direct way to access your Snapchat memories. What you can do is click on the chats and see all of the saved chats and your photos and videos. Other than that, there is no option to access your memories. But what you can do is download your data, and for that you just click on the settings icon, and from here you can just go ahead and click on view my profile. Once you open up your account settings and scroll down, you will find something like my data. Just click on it and you will see all of the available data that are up for your download. So you are just going to scroll down and select memories and other media. Make sure this one is selected. If you don't want other things, you can just deselect all of them like this. And once you do that, it will be exported as HTML files. Then go ahead and scroll down, click on next, and here you can select the range from which date you want your memories. And once you select your range, all you have to do is confirm your email address, tap on submit, and Snapchat will send you a zip file which you will have to extract separately, and there you will find all of your memories. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.